Okay, Andrew, are you ready to fill up your pod? Do you remember how to do it?
I do. I know how to do it.
Okay. I'm here if you need help.
Well, I don't need help since I have a phone that gives me literally every single thing that I could need to do.
You're right. It does tell you on there.
But it doesn't tell me how much insulin I have to do, but I know already.
And where do you fill the insulin up to?
The 100, because I put 100 units.
Okay, well that's fine, but yeah, normally we do the line above it, which is 85, because you don't use more than 85 in 3 days.
I put it like to here, and then I push it up to get the air out.
Yeah, so we actually only put 85 in there,
so
right?
I'm going to show you right now.
Okay.
So, get the needle on, but first things first, I'm going to have to pull it up to 85, right?
Yes. And then this is a new vial, so you got to take the little top off first. And because it's new, you don't need to wipe it with an alcohol wipe because it's already sterile.
I never did.
Okay, well you should.
So now I push in,
Mm-hmm.
and then since I have air in it, do I have to do this part upside down or no?
No, it doesn't matter. You can push the air in whichever
push
way.
the air in.
Mm-hmm.
Then I grab this, bring upside down. So Mom, you're gonna have to help me with this part.
If you hold it like this, in between, yep, like that. There you go.
So I bring it up to there.
Okay, and then flick it and get the bubbles out right, and then push it back up to the 85 line.
Well, they're gonna see in a second, Mom.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay,
like
Andrew, careful with that.
Yeah, I know. It's like.
If you hold your finger down a little bit more, you'll feel, yeah, there you go. You'll feel more steady. There, did you see that bubble go back up into the vial?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
It was a very big one.
There was.
Mom.
Can I see it before you put it?
Yeah, there's a lot of bubbles on the top.
Let me see.
Mom.
Okay, yeah, so pull down a little bit more
Mom.
so that you have something to work with. And then flick it again real good. Here, do you want me to hold it?
I want you to hold the bottle on top, not the bottom.
Okay, you want me to hold this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom.
Hold on, Adam.
This thing's fine, just the bottle.
Okay, now push those little bubbles up.
So push up to the fat black line.
Yeah. Now are most of the bubbles gone?
And yes.
Okay.
Pretty much all of them.
Okay. Oh, I just want to twist it. Yep, that looks great.
Okay.
Okay, so what are you going to do next?
So next, I turn it back upside down, right?
Yep, either way, just take the vial out. Yeah, that's good. Now, careful recapping the needle. Oh, yeah, right. I'm sorry.
I didn't even use
You're
it
right.
yet.
You're
Mom.
right. You're right. You're right. And you're going to put it in the hole where the arrow's pointing, right? Yep.
You have to be very
Make sure
careful
it's
or else
flush.
you'll poke through the Omnipod.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
We have to push it in all the way, make sure it's all the way in.
Yep.
And then, so you see the
Here,
line?
it's easier if you hold this down.
The line is going to go down because you're going to push all the way out. Until
Beep. We heard our beeps. Okay.
Because
Careful
all of that
recapping. And
I
then-
just did, Mom, is shown in 5 seconds on this.
Okay,
Mommy.
and then put it in our sharps container.
It's clearly
Okay. All right, what do we do next?
Then we
Hold, you
grab
need
the
to
pod.
wait, Adam.
We grab the pod and we
Yes.
throw it at Mom.
No, we do not.
And we grab the pod and we put it next to our phone and we tap next.
Good job.
And now it's gonna prime the pod.
And while it's priming the pod, what are your
Eat
favorite?
cucumbers.
No, and that doesn't go back on it. What are your favorite places to wear your pod?
my arm
Mm-hmm.
where my Dexcom is not on.
Mm-hmm.
My leg and my big fat butt.
Okay.
Mom,
Where do you like wearing your pod, Adam?
on my leg.
On your leg? Where else?
Your big fat belly.
Yeah, on your leg, and where else? Your belly.
Your
Yep.
big fat belly.
And your arms. Good job.
And my butt.
And your butt. Yeah.
So it
well, not
says-
exactly there,
So
but
it
yeah.
says communicating with pod priming.
Wait. If
Although-
I had that on my butt,
It
then
takes
I'm-
around-
Then
It takes around 2 5 minutes to prime.
Yeah, I would say it's probably closer to like a minute or two.
Maybe.
Not right now, Andrew.
Yeah, it's still priming.
I know, but still.
Watch your phone.
But I was waiting for it, and you didn't.
Okay, I think it's gonna be done now because it stopped clicking. Oh,
But
Ellen,
it's
you're high.
still not done.
Yeah, but any minute now. So why don't you clean off whatever area we're gonna do it on your arm, right? Since your Dexcom still has a few days before it needs to be switched
Yes,
over.
and because I don't want them to see my butt.
Good, yes, good call. So if you want to wipe off your arm, Adam, you need to wait a minute. We're almost done. What?
Where's the water things that go in your water?
I know the Vitality drops. I have to get some from upstairs. You're gonna have to wait till after we're done with this, okay? You all right?
I had a brain fart right there.
Oh, is that what that was?
I don't even know what a brain fart is.
Okay.
But can you please?
Oh, it's for your butt. The fart from your butt.
No,
goes in
okay,
your
we're
brain.
not discussing that. We're taking a video, Andrew. Can you stop?
I can't. I can't reach.
You need
I can't
help?
reach. Yeah, I can't reach. Oh, my arm hurts.
Okay.
All
All right. So now what do we do?
Now we take this off like this.
That's
It's
right.
gonna feel like it's ripping off and you're breaking the pod, but you're really not. See? I have to rip it off like it's my legacy.
Yeah, use those
you're
muscles. It does feel like you're breaking it, doesn't
It
it?
really does.
Yeah.
You were like the toe.
And then
Yeah, I'm trying to be like so.
Are you gonna be able to put it on, or are you gonna need me to put it on?
And then let's set up the phone so Mom can help
Hold
me put it
on.
on. So you take these stickers off the thing like this. You peel them off, and then you put it on your site where you wiped with this.
Okay.
So let's get to it.
All right.
Let's get to it.
So be like Toad.
Hi, I'm Toad.
So we like to find a spot, like it kind of pins around, find a spot that he's got some more fat. And then also, so he has, can you stop for a second? He has like a mark from where he had it recently, so I'm going to actually flip it the other way because this is where the cannula is coming out, so that way it's not in the same spot. So that spot isn't getting used. And we'll put it a little bit lower so that it actually can heal.
Now.
So then we just
Now.
go around. Okay, guys. Go
Yeah.
around the edge, and then I'm gonna hold the skin. I'm gonna hold the skin kind of pinched up so that he's getting that fat there. While you go ahead and push the start button, Andrew.
I'm very fit.
No, you're not. But it needs to go into fatty tissue. We don't want it going in muscle.
Fatty tissue.
You.
Good.
See?
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, I said see, which means you have to see.
No, you were saying C as in Spanish. Yes.
Spanish.
Okay, then click yes.
See.
Put it into automated,
See.
and you're all set.
See.